What's up, guys? I'm Jay. Welcome to the page / channel. This is my 2022 Ram 1500 here behind me that is going to be basically the whole page is going to be about. I wanted to just basically document what I'm going to be doing to it. I got a couple little things that I've already bought for it, like the bed cover and floor mats. I did buy it back in October of 2022, and I recently just found out from the dealer that my warranty voided, or it's done basically, and that's basically why I'm starting to do the major upgrades to it. So I recently just purchased the Eibach leveling / lift kit that is up to like 3.5 inches I think I could go to, which I'm not going to go all the way maxed out. I also bought the ReadyLIFT upper control arms, as well as some wheels and tires. Tires are the Toyo Open Country all-terrain 3s. And for the rims, I went with Arena Vulcan 22x10 with a -18 offset. They're actually bronze colored to match, kind of do a little color coordination there that I think is going to actually look pretty sick. All of that is going to be coming soon, so stay tuned to the channel. And yeah, I'm Jay, man. Stay tuned. To give you guys basically a little tour of the inside. It's pretty much stock. Like I said, it's a 2022 Ram 1500. I got the 8x4-inch screen. Haven't really done much. This was the only thing that I bought when I first bought the truck, was the Husky floor mats. I freaking love them. They've done extremely well for me. Eventually, I want to get like all the little trims that I found online, for the dash and the steering wheel, the AC vents. Let's take you guys to the back so you guys can see the floor mat in the back. Very basic, nothing crazy, but they've lasted me since 2022. And excuse my son's chair. But yeah, man, they're amazing. I clean them every time I do the car wash, and even if I don't, they don't really, get any stains or anything. I did go with the backflip tunnel cover for the bed, and this thing has been a beast. The only little thing is this fading sticker, but I don't really care about that. It's no big deal. And then in the bed, I got this little rubber mat to protect the bed. I'm eventually gonna be doing, the liner on the inside. I'm gonna try to probably either do it myself or take it to get it done. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to take care of that myself. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. This is the walk around the truck. I got a little bit of scuffs and dings and dents that people, have bumped into my truck. Self-inflicted stuff too. But little by little, I'll fix it up. But yeah, this is my 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn 5.7 HEMI VA, baby. Let's get it. You guys will be seeing the installation coming real soon, so tune in for that. Thanks. Actually, this was another little upgrade that I had to do because for some reason my truck didn't come with any, and I had to buy this, which has actually been pretty, freaking reliable. They look great, they've lasted good, and this was one of my first little upgrades that I got when I first got the truck back in 2022. And like I said, man, it gives it a nice little look in there. It protects the hell out of everything in there. And when I put my lift in and the shocks and the springs, and it's actually going to be protecting it pretty good too. But yeah. So let's continue in the truck because it was pretty hot out there. Sorry, the clips are kind of jumping back and forth. I've never done this kind of stuff before, so got to get used to documenting and talking, But yeah, I also have the last fit LED headlight bulbs and the fog lights, 6Ks. They're very bright. People flash their high beams at me all the time. And that's pretty much it. I have nothing else, major on the truck, as I stated in the opening opening clip. Sorry. I'm gonna be, documenting everything that I do, and yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I don't know what else I'm supposed to be saying or doing or whatever, but yeah, stay tuned. Install video, or at least next video will be, breakdown of, all the parts coming in. I was waiting on the last shock and springs for the lift kit to come in. So now I just received them, so I'll do my next video will be pretty much breakdown of all the parts, tires, rims, everything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully see you on the next one. You know, like, subscribe, comment. I don't know. I guess let's do it. Later.